Greetings everybody, this is the engine in my 2012 Mercedes-Benz S350 Bluetec. It is the OM642 diesel. So recently I had an issue where where it slung the belt. I did a video about that, and as I suspected, actually when I had an oil leak a while back, I suspected that it was that thing, the oil filter housing, which this time they said that was it. So it was leaking on the belt, and eventually it caused the belt to sling. The last time, about 16,000 miles ago, they replaced the oil cooler. Even though I thought that this was the leak, and the leak did stop for a while, but then it came back, and they replaced that now. So I've got it back. The dealer actually just delivered it to me, and strangely enough, it cost about $1,500 less than what I thought it would. Because if I recall correctly, they quoted me $2,500 to do this job before, not counting the belt. So this time around, I got the belt replaced and that. And even though I just changed the oil, they did another oil change. So it's got extra clean oil in it, but it was just like right about at $1,000. And since I was expecting $2,500, I thought that was quite a bargain. So I'm actually very happy with how much they charged me for that. So that ought to be good for a while. Both the belt and that. So anyway, have a great day, everyone.